Hello guys, welcome back with me Dilan Muhammad Kolbu. In this video, I will presentation on analyze a 5 paragraph essay titled is Navigating the Landscape of EFL Listening Comprehension. Okay, this is a 5 paragraph. Until done. I in this comprehension, this is a challenge, strategies, and technological solution generate using Cloud AI based on my corpus of 10 research article on EFL listening comprehension. I will walk through this is using 5 analytical categories. The first is ideas and coherence, paragraph elements, and summarizing, paraphrasing, citation, interactive meta discourse, and the last is interactional meta discourse. Okay. Okay, the first is the single collective, the story. This research corpus tells is the EFL listening comprehension develops most effectively when educators address three interconnected dimensions together, rather than treating any one dimension in isolation. The difficulties is learner face, the strategy they use, and the technology that supports them. And the corpus aligns into three categories that map directly into the three body paragraphs. Paragraph 2 covers the challenge and problem in EFL listening. Okay. And paragraph 3 is covered by listening strategies. And paragraph 4 is technology and media based solution. And paragraph 4 is for the technology and media based solution. Okay, the topic sentence of the paragraph 2 is the foundational layer of EFL listening research consistently identifies a range of cognitive, linguistic, and environmental barriers that impeded learner comprehension. Paragraph 3 is often with building upon an understanding of listening difficulties, researchers have increasingly turned their attention to the strategic behavior that distinguish successful from unsuccessful EFL listeners. Okay, and paragraph 4 is often with ultimately, the most promising horizon in EFL listening pedagogy lies in the deliberate integration of technology and authentic media as dynamic instructional research. Okay, each paragraph maintains coherence because it sticks to one core concept. At its level, paragraph 2 focuses on the difficulties. Paragraph 3 is focus on how learner respond strategically. Okay, and the paragraph 4 is focus on what tools can help with no overlap between the three. Okay, now is the element paragraph 2. I will use paragraph 2 as my example. Its topic sentence makes the claim that EFL listening research identifies cognitive, linguistic, and environmental barrier. Environmental barrier and which connect directly to the roadmap compromise in the paragraph 1 thesis. Firstly, the nature and cause of listening difficulty. Secondly, the strategy response employed by learners. And finally, the role of technology and authentic media in enhancing listening outcomes. Okay. The next sentence explains that these difficulties rarely come from a single cause, but from the interaction of internal and external factors. This is then backed up with empirical evidence using passive voice and in-text citation. Em- Empirical investigation clearly demonstrate that unfamiliar vocabulary, fast speech rate, and exposure to the diverse accent represent the most frequently. Okay, reported comprehension of tackle among EFL students is Adia Nasrullah and Rosalind 2022 and Hidayah and Gunawan 2025. Furthermore, Wahab and Tanashi 2022 importantly not. Okay. The paragraph concluding sentence summarizes the practical takeaway while hooking into the next paragraph. Okay. The next paragraph is consequently addressing this challenge demand more than vocabulary instruction alone. It requires a holistic, multi-layered pedagogical response. This phrase, holistic, multi-layered, is the hook that leads into the strategy focused discussion in paragraph 3. Okay, next to the paragraph 3. For summarizing, I will point to a sentence in paragraph 3. Research from research from our corpus consistently shows that effectively EFL listeners employ three major categories of strategy. First is metacognitive, second cognitive, and third socio-affective. It's applied flexibly depending on task demand and learner needs. It's by Hadija and Salawati 2018. This sentence condenses the entire three-part category framework from the original study into one compact generalization. Okay, for the paraphrasing, I will point to a sentence in paragraph 4. Okay, specifically is Novianti, Bunau, and Wardah 2023 found that podcast integration enhance students' yes, listening performance and positively influence their effective engagement with the learning process. The original study finding about podcasts are listed here in new sentence structure and academic parsing rather than quote directly. Okay. Okay. For citation format, an example of a non-integral citation appears at the end of the evidence sentence in paragraph 2. Is Aida Nasrullah and Rosalind 2022, Hidayah and Gunawan 2025. The author's name sit inside parentheses because the sentence focus in the finding itself, not on the research as grammatical subject. Okay. Okay, and for an integral citation, paragraph 2 contains Wahab and Tanashi 2022. Importantly, note that effect that not that physical setting and material quality function as equally significant interference research. Here, the research names are part of the sentence grammar, acting as the subject who performs the action not. This is a clear integral citation. The specific theoretical framework introduced in this essay is the three category model of listening strategies from Hadijah Hadijah and Salawati. Hadijah and Salawati 2018. Metacognitive, cognitive, and socio-affective strategies presented in paragraph 3. Okay. Hadijah and Salawati. And for contrast, transition marker, paragraph 1 contain, however, okay, here, however, the body of research on EFL listening has expanded considerably, offering structure framework. The word, however, sets up a shift from the problem just described to the existence of research-based solution. Okay, for a consequence marker, paragraph 2 is content. Consequently, where is consequently? Consequently, here, addressing this challenge demand more than vocabulary instruction alone. This implies a cause and effect relationship between the multidimensional nature and listening of a listening problem and the need for a holistic response. Okay, for frame markers, paragraph 1 is currently firstly firstly the nature and causes of listening difficulty. Secondly, and the strategy response employed by learners. Okay, and for and the for marker is in paragraph 5. Paragraph 5 contains a sequence throughout this synthesis. The journey toward listening proficiency moves progressively. This first points back to the structure built across the previous program, linking the essay's global argument without repeating each paragraph detail. Okay, and for evidential, the parental citation we already discussed function as an interactive research because they give the reader they give the reader an exact address for verifying the claims against the broader academic literature. Literature for evidential in paragraph specifically is in paragraph 4. Okay, specifically. Sorry, I'm mistake. And for a code glass, paragraph 4 contains specifically Novianti Bunau and Wardah 2023 found that podcast integration enhance student listening performance. The word specifically elaborate on the broader claim just made about technology enhanced approach by narrowing down to one concrete example podcast. And section A is for heads. Paragraph 4 is contains suggesting that authentic audio format. Suggesting for audio format foster meaningful listener text interaction. This word maintains academic caution rather than asserting absolute certainty. A blunt statement like podcast always guarantees better listening scores would be a major flow in university level writing since research finding rarely hold true with complete certainty across every learner and context. Okay, in paragraph. Oh, for attitude markers, paragraph. Eh, sorry. For boosters, the boosters is paragraph 2 contains the press clearly demonstrate clearly demonstrate backed directly by the citation Adia Nasrullah and Rasalin 2022 and Hidayah and Gunawan 2025. In the same sentence, this booster is justified because there is concrete empirical evidence supporting the claim. Okay, for attitude markers now, paragraph 5 contains mm, fortunately fortunately the convergence of strategy based instruction and technology enhanced input provides EFL educators with a rich evidence-based toolkit. This word express a professional database value judgment rather than excessive emotion since it's immediately followed by a concrete explanation of what that toolkit offers. For okay, mhm. And for self-mention, this design is notably different from a fully detached academic style. It explicitly used the pronoun we in paragraph 3, we in paragraph 3, we we argue alongside Graham and Santos 2015 that metacognitive strategies are likely the most and transferable across diverse listening contexts rather than weakening the size objectivity. This we this we functions as a collective academic voice. We argue alongside Graham and Santos, positioning the writer alongside established research to make a shared scholarly argument rather than expressing a purely personal opinion. Okay. In conclusion, this essay demonstrates a strong five-paragraph structure built around three progressively connected the dimensions of EFL listening research. It used both integral and non-integral citation effectively, applies summarizing and paraphrasing to avoid plagiarism, and deploys a full range of interactive and interactional meta discourse, including a notable purposeful use of collective self-mention through the word we. Okay, I think this video I end in here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.